Drop the pods into boiling water. This trick will save you a lot of money. It's the way my grandma always did it. Grab a pan and pour in about half a liter of water. Heat it until it starts boiling. Add around 5 laundry pods. They'll dissolve in the water, creating a thick and fragrant base. Next, add laundry scent beads. Don't be shy. Use a generous amount. The beads release a strong scent that lasts a long time. Stir gently and let everything combine. Meanwhile, prepare a bowl and line it with aluminum foil. That way, it'll be easy to take the finished product out. Once the mixture in the pan is ready, pour it into the bowl. Spread it evenly across the surface. Sprinkle on a few more scent beads for an even stronger and longer-lasting fragrance. Then place the bowl in the freezer and wait patiently until it hardens. Once frozen, take it out and see the result. You've got a homemade toilet tank block. It smells better than store-bought ones, freshens the water, and helps neutralize buildup. Just drop it into the tank. With every flush, it releases a fresh scent and keeps the bathroom clean and pleasant. A simple trick that lasts a long time and saves you money. This way, I save a lot of money. First, take a bar of soap and grate it using a coarse grater. Pour the grated soap into a pot. Then add 100 milliliters of water. Also, pour in 100 milliliters of cleaning solution. It contains surfactants that remove dirt and residue, and the water softener in the detergent eliminates limescale. Next, add 100 milliliters of fabric softener to give the mixture a pleasant scent. Now, add a bit of coloring to create better contrast. Into this mixture, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Cook until all the ingredients dissolve, bringing the mixture to a boil. Once it cools down, pour it into a plastic bottle using a funnel. Place it in the refrigerator for 4 hours. When it solidifies, cut the bottle with a knife or scissors. Slice the solid mass into pieces, preferably into slices about 2 centimeters thick. Place 1 slice on a piece of paper, then press it onto the inside of the toilet bowl so it sticks. Store-bought toilet cleaning blocks are expensive, but this homemade alternative costs only a few cents and cleans just as well. Now the toilet looks truly clean, and after this trick, the entire bathroom smells fresh and pleasant. This blue ball will change your toilet forever. You won't want to use traditional methods anymore. First, prepare a cutting board and a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, which effectively removes dirt, neutralizes unpleasant odors, and helps get rid of limescale buildup. Now, squeeze in 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. The toothpaste not only freshens and removes bacteria, but also helps whiten surfaces and leaves a pleasant scent. Mix everything with your hands until the ingredients are well combined and form a smooth mass. Then, shape small balls that are ready to use immediately. Drop 1 ball into the toilet tank. It will dissolve gradually, keeping your toilet clean and fresh with every flush. You can also drop a ball directly into the toilet bowl. It will remove dirt and neutralize bad odors. Flush the water and enjoy perfect cleanliness every time. It's a quick, cheap, and effective way to maintain hygiene in the toilet. Pour rinse aid into the toilet. It works better than you think. If you've never used rinse aid in your toilet before, you need to try this. However, don't pour it in directly. First, prepare a powerful cleaning mixture. Start by pouring 125 milliliters of vinegar into a container. Vinegar effectively dissolves deposits and has antibacterial properties. Next, add 1 tablespoon of salt, which helps remove stubborn dirt and prevents limescale buildup. Stir well until the salt is completely dissolved, then transfer the mixture into a spray bottle. Now, add the key ingredient, 50 milliliters of rinse aid. This will make surfaces shine. Always shake the bottle before use to ensure the ingredients are well mixed. Spray the inside of the toilet, the seat, and the lid generously. Let the solution sit for a while to work its magic, then wipe everything down with a cloth. Dirt and stains will disappear instantly. This mixture also works wonders on sinks and faucets, removing limescale and water stains while leaving them sparkling clean. Your bathroom will be fresher and shinier than ever. breaks down toilet limescale like a hammer. Did you know how easy and cheap it is to get rid of limescale in the toilet? You only need a few simple ingredients you probably already have at home. Start with about 2 ounces of dish soap. Then add 1 tablespoon of table salt. The third ingredient is vinegar, about 10 ounces. Mix everything well so the salt dissolves. Pour the mixture into an empty dish soap bottle to make it easier to apply. Now pour it all over the toilet bowl, especially where limescale builds up. Don't forget under the rim. Leave it overnight to let the mixture work. In the morning, just flush the toilet and enjoy the cleanliness. This method is not only effective, but also eco-friendly. Plumbers don't want you to know this. When your toilet gets clogged, don't try to pour hot water to dissolve the blockage. It usually doesn't help and can even make things worse. You also don't need to invest in a plunger that often fails. Instead, you can use something ridiculously simple. I'll show you an effective method that really works. You only need one thing: a trash bag. Use a large one, about 15 gallons. That size fits best around the toilet bowl. Wrap the bag tightly around the rim, pressing it down evenly. Then lower the toilet seat. But make sure the seat is completely dry first. That helps the bag stick better. Stretch it so that no air gets underneath. The whole setup should feel tight and slightly springy. To seal it even more, sit down on the seat. Only now should you flush the toilet. If everything is sealed well, pressure will build up and act like a plunger. You can flush several times if your tank refills quickly. The clog will clear without using any special tools. It's a surprisingly simple and effective trick. And it helps you avoid unpleasant surprises in the bathroom. My toilet has never been this clean and shiny before. You could almost eat off it. And it's all thanks to lemons. They contain essential oils with antibacterial and degreasing properties. They act as a natural cleaner and smell amazing. Put a handful of lemon peels into a blender. I used 6 halves. Add 400 milliliters of water. Baking soda is also an important part of this mixture. It helps dissolve limescale and whiten tough stains. Add 2 tablespoons to the blender. Finally, squeeze in a tablespoon of regular toothpaste. Ideally, the classic white kind. It freshens and enhances the overall cleaning effect of the mixture. Blend everything for about 2 minutes. It should all combine well into a smooth mixture. Strain everything through a sieve to separate the liquid from the leftover bits. Pour the mixture into an empty plastic bottle and screw the cap on. Make a small hole in the cap. This is very important because it turns the bottle into a convenient dispenser. Before using the citrus mixture, sprinkle baking soda inside the toilet. Pour the prepared liquid over every dirty surface. Then scrub with a toilet brush. Your toilet will be sparkling and fresh like never before. You have to try this method.